Alright, just a quick one this time. Good afternoon again and all that jive. Right, my last video you see me fit the rear mainsail, that's all now done. Now, fitting the front one. So, there's the front pulley, look, all been cleaned. On these, make sure this bit here, where it rolls around there, make sure that's nice and clean. You can actually see there's a bit of a line there. So, I'll just emery cloth that down with a 1500. Bit of usual Loctite. Clean the threads out on there, look. That bolt, clean your threads out on there. Make sure your keyway, which is there, is nice and clean. So here's the front one. That's all now cleaned, as I did with the rear one. That's all clean, ready. I apologise for my voice, but you're not going to believe this, I've got another cold coming. I might just this 1 minute. Oh dear. Off the fingers. Oh dear. So, the box says a new one, you've got to new seal. The wheel. One of these days. So, as you see, I've just got some bit of oil in there. Well, it's gear oil actually, it's in there, look. So this is your seal. Put his phone down again. I'll try and do as I did with last time. So, how's that looking? Trying to do something, I've got to get a new recording stand. Kaput. I don't know where it is. So, one. So, this seal here, look. Same old. Sliding down again, it is, isn't it? Right, what we do, look. Bit of Loctite again, look, you see it? You don't need too much, obviously you need the smell coming off of these caps as are down here, these cam caps. A bit too much there, don't we? So just you've got to be liberal here, but just enough. See, look, spreading it around. Like that. So, as I did with the front one, that rear one, sorry. Measured the front one. All that does, look, goes in there, just tap it in. Just touch it so it's holding. Find my tapping stick now. I was using it here. Tell you what, you have done with it. Oh, here it is. Here it is, look. My old hammer, I've had that since about 16. So, with this, look. So I'm trying to do the camera and do this at the same time. This don't usually end well. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me just put this down 1 minute. You look after that a minute. 1 minute. Let me get started. Right, back with you. Right. I've got one of these fancy garages. All the wind. Nice and a little bit of cream that comes out, yeah, the red Loctite, just roll it around, look. That's all sealed in here, you see it? And then you do. A little bit of that one. Finger in there. Turn this bad boy upside down. A bit of I use gear oil because it's a little bit thicker. A little bit in there. A lot of people load it with what we do, look. See more or less where key weighers there and key weighers there. Line them up, look when. That's it. That's it. Then you find your bolt. Now, what I'm saying with this stuff, we use the blue stuff, you use a lot of it. You know, with this, you need, yeah, just a little bit. That's it. You see, look, that's all I put on. Mainly because, damn, this stuff grabs. So, bolt in. Done. Tumble. It's got a little bit of oil, let's pull it in nicely. Set it up. You look through, you'll see your seals in just the right place. See, it looks nice and level. I think, crack on. All the old detritus in there, new sealing, front end all clean. Rear end all done already. So now tomorrow, when I go tonight, I'll cocoon it in. You really do like that noise word, don't you? Cocoon. All the areas where it needs it. Yeah. Just put a little bit of degrease on there and let it sit overnight. And then when I come to it tomorrow, I'll put it in, have to get it quick, get it washed down. You know, and then I'll be ready. I'm waiting for the sump gasket at the minute. I wish the sump gasket rear, but I can't fit it if I ain't got it. I can always fit it when it's in the car. No hard task, is it? Right, I'll do. I'm going to tidy up because shed's in a right mess. Right, I'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye.